Hey guys, Driven 101 here. How you guys doing? So I got a quick little video. I'm gonna show you probably the cheapest fluid dispenser that you can use for putting fluid into differentials, even transmissions. So let's get going. Yeah, let's do this. Hey guys, so here it is. A cheap fluid dispenser for weeds from Home Depot. I use this. This is my go-to for differentials and even filling transmissions. Basically, it acts like the mid-vac. So you don't need to spend, $200-300 on this mid-vac. You spend 20 bucks on this. Basically, all right, so you have the lever here to let the fluid loose. You can even lock it in place so it automatically fills it so you don't have to have your hands on it. It dispenses the fluid through the hose after you pump it, all the way through here. Then I took the screen out, as you can see here. And it works great, works great for getting into those awkward fill ports for differentials. And it works great for even transmissions. Now some differentials, you even have to fill it through the drain plug, and this works for that too. What you basically do for that and transmissions is you go on the end here, you put some clear hose from Home Depot, even you band clamp it, then you run the clear hose up to the adapter and you band clamp it to that. You pump it up and you lock it in place and it just automatically fills it. And when it's done, it's just, you let it loose, and then you can take the band clamp off the adapter, you pull it off real fast and you plug it up, and there you go. So I just wanted to show you guys this, save you guys yourselves some money. This career is not an easy one, and it's not a cheap one. So whenever you can save money, you should try and do it. And no shame in being cheap. I mean, it's creative. So anyway, I hope you guys found this useful. I want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving and keep wrenching.